In sodium hydroxide, I don't think that sodium ion size would be greater than that of oxygen anion.
Yes, it
Because
is.
because the reason why a sodium atom has a greater size than the oxygen ion than an oxygen in atomic state, in a free state, is because it has an extra S shell.
No, it is not an atomic combination of these. These are ions.
Yes, exactly. This is
Yes.
where I'm going.
Okay.
When,
I was just
when your sodium will get ionized, it will only have two shells.
Yes.
And sodium ion has greater electron affinity and electronegativity than an oxygen anion.
Yes.
And in that case, sodium size should be smaller than that of oxygen.
The reason why I was talking about the size of this, I was talking about atomic level. I was not, as I have told you, OH is the just negative ion and sodium is the positive ion. When they combine, they make sodium hydroxide. I was not talking about the size. I was talking at the atomic level because I have mentioned it increases the atomic radius of sodium and increases the sodium atomic size of like oxygen and hydrogen. When they combine, they make negative and positive ions. When they combine, they
You said that when we move from left to right,
yes,
the atomic size decreases because decreases left to right when we move.
Left to right decrease.
Decrease. He said yes. You said decrease because the atomic size number shells increases, right?
Number of shells increases from left to right. Why?
Left to right you said because the atomic number increases.
No, it is increases. Yes, you can see from left to right it is increasing.
Oh, sorry.
However, in periods, you can say in periods, along the period from left to right it is increases, and group wise it is increases from top to bottom up to.
I'm not focus on the slide. I'm just amazing myself.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my feedback, have you consulted the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Which chapters have you consulted?
Ma'am, it was 13 and 14.
Which one is this? 13
Mechanical properties and polymers, because my material was geopolymer concrete, and the properties of
which material is the polymer?
geopolymer concrete, which is used when I combine sodium hydroxide, sodium silicate, fly ash, and they behave like a polymer.
Don't they behave as a composite?
Yes, ma'am. It's a kind of composites.
So please study the chapter on composites and include that in your final submission. Okay? Because this is a composite. This is a very good example of composite.
Yes.
Okay? Right. So about the thermal properties, like you're designing this for a very unique temperature range.
Yes, ma'am.
So please discuss the thermal properties. What would be the effect of those properties, that temperature on this material. Okay. So use the book and then use your own references. Okay. And then you are also talking about radiation on Mars. What's the environment over there that we're going to?
Yes, because the Earth atmosphere has a strong magnetic field which prevent us from the harm radiations or ultraviolet radiations which are coming from the sun. Meanwhile, if I talk about Mars, they do not have such kind of magnetic fields.
So please talk about that. What kind of an environment that is, and what will be the effect of that environment on this material. Okay. And also a positive point, you talked about the environmental effects and the eco-friendly materials. That was a positive point for you. And yeah, mechanical, again, there are a lot of mechanical properties very relevant. We have 2 to 3 chapters in the book of these properties. You put a lot of text in a paper is text based, a presentation is more visual. Okay. So again, the quality of the tables, figures should be good. Like there was a table, you could have typed the values and the quality would have been better, right? So in the paper you can do that. Okay, include figures, tables, graphs to show the values that you're talking about rather than just writing them in paragraphs. Okay, a figure is always very communicative. Okay, it's a strong way of communication. Okay, what does ICON stand for? ICON.
International Council on Nanotechnology.
Yes. Okay, so and you also wrote masonry core strength. What
Yes, that is the compressive strength per unit cross sectional area. This is the unit of you can say compressive strength.
Sorry.
It is the unit of compressive strength which indicates compressive strength per unit cross sectional area.
Okay, you can define that later. Okay.
Okay.
And then you were using the unit PSI.
Per square inch, which is
It's
unit
like-
of pressure.
I think pounds per square inch.
Per square inch.
Pounds per square inch. You can check it out, but then it also writes the equivalent SI units.
Okay, ma'am.
What's the
Yes.
value in SI units? Because we're mostly
Yes.
using
It is mostly used by the Pascal.
Yeah.
Pascal के अंदर it could be 101.5 Pascal.
However, I
14.7.
recommend that